Taking a video, be.
Peace of Lord.
Christian!
You're wondering why my nose is bleeding? I fell off a tree in school, which was really bad. See, guys, look, see? And a big bruise right here, which really hurts.
Not sure if there.
Oh yeah. Yeah, there's a big tree over here in the woods.
Better be careful.
Look, see the white?
Come on.
No,
Let's
Dad,
go.
those are the wrong ones. Okay. Be here between the lines.
Be, hinay lagi, be.
They're only up north. North America. Hey, Mikey, Mom said, Dad said that North America, we are in North America. Dad said that North America and normal America is the same thing. They are all it. I know. North America. And this is up North America, so they are up North America. And not up North America. Yeah. If you're saying it with America at the end, then you don't say up.
Be, gusto na pugkag, madamag na pugka. That's not careful.
Skipping is kind of careful if you're trying not to fall. I am trying not to fall. I like trying not to fall. I just put my feet on the ground quickly. Hey!
What?
Those look like the dangerous ones. Look, see? Guys, what is that?
Yeah, I have no idea. Hala, what is that? What are those? I've never seen them before.
They're dangerous. They're dangerous. Don't.
Looks like eggs.
They're eggs of
Eggs.
what? Of what?
I don't know.
They smell pretty weird.
There's
like
something inside them.
What? There's something inside them? Oh, yeah, look, this one hatched. Oh, yeah. One hatched. Guys, they're eggs. What kind of eggs? We should search this up on Google. A
I have no
white
idea.
egg. Kill it. Everyone, kill it.
Nobi. Hey,
Kill it. Yes, I see baby caterpillars and they're really big. Like, this is the size of one of the eggs, right? Yeah. There's no way a whole baby caterpillar that's like the baby, the size was like almost bigger than that, the other ones. I know like, some of them were like, they look like sea urchins. White sea urchins. I know, but they kind of look like Corona. Hey, don't say that, you're gonna get in trouble, Mom says. Right, Mom? If you say Corona, or if you say like you have the coronavirus, don't say they're getting in trouble. People are gonna take you because you have the corona.
there is no apple here. What happened?
Is it
There's
spring?
an apple tree.
Okay, it must be winter right now. Yep, it's winter.
Hmm.
Mom, it's winter. Does gum turn white after you chew it enough? Yeah.
Yeah. Color is gone, so it turns back
I've
to its.
chewed this since I've on the bus. Since I've been on the bus. You have to chew it like until you're old, maybe. Now you just gotta chew it for like a whole hour. Hey, I farted. Hours are so long. Minutes. You literally gotta count to 60 times. Minutes are long. Minutes are kind of long. I know, but all you gotta do is just count to 60. Minutes are long.
Tama na ba?
Not that long, like medium-sized long. But dude, out. Are you gonna do it like turn it on and never pause it?
Yep.
Like you think that pausing is cut? I mean, if you pause the video like some parts that would normally be in the video gone. Like gone forever. Yeah, Mikey, this grass is pretty good. When you like step on it, it feels cool and it like sounds cool, right? Mm-hmm. Look, Mikey, we're wearing the same shoes, and these are my favorite shoes. I'm very getting broken toys sad. I wish I could light it up. I mean, they're stickers. Yeah. Hey, those are they just like, no, they're supposed to be like, they're like, you know that they're supposed to be a lot bigger ones. Did you know that the straps are back? Before there used to be like only tie stickers, and now the straps are back. Look at the straps. Like,
Watch out. See, there's like mushrooms.
oh, those are dangerous. Yep, those are dangerous. What kind? Are you sure? Yep. Wait, let's try to find that little animal that's so small and you can't die. Yeah, but you can't see it. We should have bring a bucket here. We can't see it. Oh yeah, we should bring like a little jar to catch some. Yeah, and Mikey, you know that I am start doing UFO hunting? You have your thingies and then you look up and see the sky find UFOs. Dude, if you had a gun, do you know what a sniper is? Like a gun that you could see very far with? By looking in the little thing, yeah. Those only have one bullet per shot. So you gotta put in a new bullet every time. Oh yeah, I know those kinds, but I don't know what they're called. Or snipers. Okay, Mikey, you go like this. You go like this. Oh yeah! I picked up the wrong ones. Like the ones that you shoot one time and then you have to put in a new bullet and it takes kind of long. Yeah, me too. You know, I'm gonna make my new PP gun soon. And my fart machine gun. I'm gonna try and make it shoot really far though. And if people want to stay away from, if people are closer and they want you to stay, and you want them to stay away from you, just grab a fart
Look, maybe
machine
there's
gun
still some berries.
and just grab a fart machine gun and then shoot at their face. Hey, are there still berries? Because I think the one that you were talking about was a shotgun. Yep, it was like a shotgun. Without the thing to look in. The thing to look in is called a scope. I know. Are you talking about one with no scope? But you could put a scope on it? Yep, it has a scope already. What am I talking about? Hey, I saw my map.
They don't lose it.
Okay. It's on its way, so it's gonna be okay.
Well, you can still lose it. Ouch! Something bit me.
Yeah, you hear it. Hey, there's a mushroom back there. What if I stepped on it? You're gonna get poisoned up.
Ouch! What is that?
One of my friends said that poison ivy went into my little dinosaur backpack thing, but they were just joking. I don't remember the other dinosaur backpack. No. You know the little thing that hangs on your backpack? Oh, what? Oh, yeah. Those, like, mini backpacks, very small ones? Yeah, mine has a kitty one. I know, and it... Hi, guys. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. Hi, guys. We're outside here hunting in the forest for UFOs maybe out. We're going to spy them. Like, see, UFOs, look at. I don't see them. Okay.
Careful, ha? Careful.
That'll be good. I know, but did you know that shotguns don't really shoot that far? Yeah, that's why I'm going to choose a gun that actually far, really far as possible. So like far like a sniper? Like far, like more like past the earth.
Bear, remember where we found the snake eating the frog?
Oh yeah? Let's go past again. How is the earth a circle because if you're on the other side, It's on the bottom of the dust us all.
Mm.
And you said to go to sleep?
You're gonna take a quick bath and then you're gonna go to sleep.
Oh man.
You get school tomorrow, remember?
Oh man. Stop copying me. No, that just reminded me of something from my
Oh my god, what is that?
Oh my god, those are big mushrooms. Yes,
Are they
Nature.
mushrooms?
What are those? Those are big. Something been eating it. No, they
Maybe
are
that was the same thing that we found over there and then they grow. Ah, don't step on them.
Okay, I'm watching out. I did when I looked inside of the egg that the one that was broken, the one that we saw over there. When part of it, humans are not hollowed out.
Hollow bay means like there's nothing, like a circle thing, like a balloon. There's nothing inside it. That means it's hollow. Okay?
Yeah, and humans are not. Haven't God make us so out of our brain? Oh yeah. Like I forgot our brain. Hey, no what? Probably from oh, that was big. That was so weird. It looked like a piece of wood. But if you like kick it not even hard, you like just do that, it will break apart. It is hard poop. So weird. I mean, I saw that it had like things coming out of it, like things, green things that I saw from the poop. Hey, I pooped here before. Where is it? Maybe an animal in it. Yep, and flies. Do you know the flies that like fly around the toilet when it's pooping the toilet? I see flies going in the toilet. The main cartoon is like flies going all around it, right? Oh yeah. And dude, these grass are getting big. Yeah. And I remember that saw these really long grass, like almost tall that. I saw grass that was like right here. I saw grass walking around. Was it over your head? Did you guys actually see that tall of grass?
Yeah, there's a lot of tall grasses. B. What was that song?
What?
Spending, oh, what was that?
Spending Jolly's money with that attitude. Malibu.
No, the other one.
What?
The mama one.
Oh yeah, you want me to sing the mom one? Free Molly. Spending Michael's money with that attitude. Now let's go to the secret place.
Okay.
We found a frog in the secret place. I tried and get it, but I could not. It's a hideout. This is kind of like a little hideout. Yeah. Or like you could hide in here and then like. We found a frog in here. I remember. I remember me and Dad. Here. I covered it up. Wait, if all the sand is not on top of them, they could breathe like you said. Plug it up and then you would not be able to breathe at all. Like, there'd just be dirt. That's why we hold the breath and dig out of it.
There, babe, this grass is, I think this grass is taller than you.
Yep.
Stand over there.
Yep, this is the grass like I was talking about. Yep, taller than Mikey, taller than me. Taller grass like I was. I mean, if it was taller than me, then it was.
Be, di lagi mo dagan.
Head is just.
Be,
Come back.
Be, there might be some babies around here.
Baby what?
Baby deers.
Oh, yeah. I remember when Dad. I think the deer must be in that tree.
Be, I got a song for Dad.
What?
Michael J. spending mama's money with an attitude.
Michael what?
Michael J.
Yeah, Mikey's dad's name is Michael James.
Michael J. Wertz.
Oh yeah.
Emmanuel.
Spending mama's money with that platitude. Platitude with that. Hey, I found the thing again. What? The thing that we saw. Oh, we found it.
Yeah, there's a lot of them. I don't know what.
No, those are grass. The eyeballs are out here. The eyeballs. You're wearing the earring?
Mhm.
Eyeball.
Be puyo be. Ay pala biki
It
ate.
goes for like Halloween.
It is almost Halloween. That's why people are already.
I like the clown.
Maybe tomorrow. Yeah, you can be clown on Halloween, okay?
Creepy.
I already got the makeup. I bought makeup for it. Maybe tomorrow I can be done with the garden for the Halloween. Oh my god, I got a video of it.
That's okay. Show them.
Yo, bibi.
What did you say?
Dadiha.
Please, mommy, I want them to see me.
That.
Being. Oh, that would be. That would be better since we did this. No, then people would think that that your channel is bad. Wait, what if you showed a picture? Hey, YouTube wouldn't like it when you do that. They will kick you out. Right, Mom?
Mhm.
Why did you slap it? You know what the mean guys did to slap it? They did this to Papa Jesus. Turn around. Metal, and then they scratch his back with flaming rock.
Sweet Milane.
Isn't about. It's about Jesus. I'm being singing, alright? Christmas is not about Jesus. Christmas is about. I think Dad said that it was like Jesus' birthday. Yep, Christmas is on Jesus' birthday. Oh my God. Oh. It's about. It could be twice. And it's Jesus. Jesus. If you do this, then it holds up your head. What? This. Huh? Do what? This. I know. Holds up your head. I look up the standing and I want to lean on something. People do that. I want to sit our big rigs already.
Let's eat.
You really kind of bad.
It's yummy.
Look at the big ones. Look at the big ones over there that were on the other.
Yeah, they're not ready yet.
Yeah, Mommy, why don't you fertilize any of your things?
Because it's better if they're organic.
I want you to fertilize it.
Mm.
They're if you fertilize them, then will they grow faster?
They get bigger.
They're bigger, yeah. They get bigger, but they're not healthy.
They're not good for you though.
Yeah.
There's a lot of chemicals in it.
They're good for you, but
Hey, get down. That's not get down.
I'm
That's
higher
not
than
safe.
you. Should I go
Get
higher
down.
and go higher?
Get.
Yeah.
Emmanuel.
I'm that too. Don't push me.
I'm not. I need you to get down.
Don't actually shake the thing because. Mikey, watch this. Hey, up! I go all the way from here. I'm pretty thirsty.
Oh, go get milk inside though.
Hey, watch this. I'm not touching the ground. I know. I can see.
Maybe you were saying watch this in school, huh? That's how you fell. Were you?
Yep.
No more, huh? No more of that.
Okay.
You're gonna be homeschooled if you keep getting hurt in school.
that, so you're gonna have to go on the phone. Oh, yep, I already knew that. Okay, these pants are too small for me. Why does every time I go to school, I'm always not ready because of my pants?
Sour.
What, you're eating?
Yes, you can eat.
Great.
Just the ready ones though, because the not ready ones are
I
sour.
want to eat the sour. I love sour. Is this one ready? Yeah.
If it's purple, then it's ready. I'm gonna go check on that. No more climbing, huh? No more climbing. Get down. Bibi! Michael J. What are you doing? Fixing. Tomorrow, can you do my garden? Pork? Huh? You're busy? Hey, no more climbing, huh? Sweet Melaine. Michael J. Spending sweet millions money with an attitude. Attitude. Whoa, what happened? Hey, 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 hey! Hey! Nanapod! You're gonna fall, ha? Bantay ka.
This is okay.
B, Agoy, the sap is gonna go on your clothes. Look, the sap.
What's that?
There, that wet thing.
Wait, are these maple?
No. Look, it's not maple. Look.
Hey, let's go pick it with our fingers and lick it.
Baby.
Wait, is this sap good for you?
No.
Nope, of course you can't eat it. It's the water from the tree. And you use it like glue.
Come here, come here.
Hey, we can use it for a home. Right there. Oh man, I should only do the party on.
Ay. Emmanuel,
What?
get over here now. Come on, we're gonna go inside.
See it right there on the side. Okay, Mike is not looking around, so I'm just not gonna tell him anymore. Oh, is that Bluetooth? Mikey, you're not looking. Mikey, you're not really looking in the right side where I'm pointing. You're not looking where I'm pointing. Look down. See it?
Look, the plants are slowly turning.
You're literally so close to it when you
You're
were
so
there.
loud, Dylan. Say hi.
Hi, gorgeous people. But they're big. Oh my god! Oh my god! Don't get out the big. Kill him,
Bibi, shh. Chicas. Say hi. stop being careful, huh? Oh my God, my back hurts. Come here. Sit with me for a little bit.
If you find a spider,
Here.
I'm gonna be savage and then kill the spider with yeah.
Come here.
I'm gonna try and be brave this time. I'm gonna just stab it with everything, throw rocks at it. Are you gonna be like me, just go? At different times, I can like stab it and then like put some gas on it and then put some like bad stuff. Hey! Let's go swimming in there. Hey, you know the best idea is to like take like a wooden block like that and then just slam it on the plate. Yeah, that's what people do. Grab a big knife and you know I heard that this is where frog pee-pees and they kill frogs. Like take a bath on their pee.
Babe, did you know that I heard that it's almost Halloween and then somebody's gonna knock in the door and look for kids?
Okay. And so Mikey, I'm actually a frog right now, so I'm just gonna. I said that right? Frog in there? I heard that? No. I'm a frog, so I'm just gonna. You're actually going in.
Baby.
Yeah, I peed in there. Anyway, there already is pee in there. What if I squash on the balls in there? Mom doesn't know.
Let's leave them alone. They're
What
for
if I throw
Halloween.
like a stick at that thing and then like it explodes and water goes everywhere? I'm gonna be. Hey, what happened? What?
Yeah, it came out.
Beans. Hey, go ahead and eat it. That's a bean. Bye bye. Ew, it smells so bad. Ew, it smells like cow poop.
Somebody's putting a turkey poop over there in the other farm.
Hey, Mikey, I just got. Mom, we forgot to put this.
Babe, the pokey things. The pokey things.
Oh, the pokey thing? Yeah. What, there's pokes on here? No, there's pokes on here. Those and then the stump. Yeah, these green things. Mike, you want to pick up some pumpkins with me?
It's already gone, babe. I already finished it.
Okay.
Babe, okay.
You didn't really finish it.
I did. See, they're all gone.
Oh, yeah? Hey, there's more over there.
No, those are the yucky ones. I just left them there because they're yucky.
And there's some more which are too big. And you should let them die so you can get the seeds. And Mom, there's one over there that's not ready. And one tiny one is there, which is a tiny little baby apple. It's so small. Like, should we use this for a home? Yeah. I remember the black thing that you said was kind of like a house. The black thing that was in
If you say. Pujo, Biha, Pujo. Don't get yourself in trouble anymore. Don't get hurt. Be. Bibi. Ayaw na gani, Bi. Puyo na. No, no. Be. Be. Be, that boo-boo in your head is already enough for today, okay? Don't add more pain in Your body. Huh, huh. Seeds. Maybe I should plant them, huh? Huh. Dad's an expert, babe. Oh my God, look at how big the seeds are. Careful.
Hey, I want to seed it. I want to take a seed out of it. I'll take a seed out of it. I want to seed it. I want to take a... I want to take a... Hey, look.
Here, look, hurry up, because I'm going to drop it.
Oh, those are big.
Yeah, from this one.
Here, Mom, I'm going to plant some. I'm going to plant some. Wait, can I eat this one?
It's not ready yet. See, it's not purple. It's still a little bit green in it.
Micah, let's go plant. Oh, yeah, let's plant some. Yeah. Give me a seed. Give me a seed. Yeah, this one's for you. Hey, take these. I think I dropped it. It's okay. Hey, this is where we can, like grow them. Let's grow one right here. Hey, is this a seed? Yeah. No. Mikey, here, let's go put the seeds in there. Mikey, do you know that this is where actually Mom grows grapes? Yeah. Now let's just, Mikey, I can drop the seed, alright? Is it gonna grow? Is it not gonna be so bad? Mom, we grown it. We're growing a grape. It's right here.
Okay, good job.
Look, Mom. We're gonna grow a grape.
Mm-hmm.
And if it grows, let's water it.
It's fine. The dirt is very wet because it's been raining and raining.
Not that wet to me. And Mikey, when this big gets grown up, we're gonna eat best friends with the grape. Cause it's Phil. He's the best in the West. It's a little grape, just a little one. Hey, let's go put some flowers. Hey, there's something. Yeah, those are actually weeds. Yeah. Mikey, do you know that sometimes if you pull weeds, you're gonna see worms attached to the weeds?